For a long time, running your accounts once a year was enough. But all of that is about to change. You've got a business to run, sales to track, customers to manage, and somewhere in between, your finances. For years, it's been the same story. Leave it till the end. Sort it all out once a year. A bit stressful, but manageable. But that's about to change. With Making Tax digital, your finances go from yearly to always on. Instead of one submission, you'll have quarterly updates, plus a final return. That's more deadlines, more data, more pressure. If your systems aren't ready, spreadsheets and last-minute fixes, they won't keep up anymore. MTD requires digital records, accurate data, consistent tracking. But here's the good news. This isn't just about compliance. It's an opportunity to understand your numbers in real time, to make better decisions before problems happen, to finally feel in control. And with the right support, it doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Because when your finances are structured and your systems just work, MTD becomes simple, seamless, handled. So the real question isn't, is MTD coming? It is. The question is, will your business be ready for it? More than accountants here to make it simple. More than accountants. Accounting that feels like a break.